करता अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान रसरी यावत जागते सिल पर परत निशान बार लैंड्स ऑफ ड्रीम क्वेश्चन निकला नहीं कि रात से आंसर एकदम है ना। ऐसे हमारे मुंह में तो आज मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, ठीक है, 1 to 10 लेसन तक। अब लेट्स सी कौन उसका आंसर दे पाता है। जो नहीं दे पाएगा उसे ऐसे मारेगा और जो दे देगा उसे ऐसे शाबाश, ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं गर्म से, ठीक है। स्टैंड अप मिस दीपाली। यस दीपाली, कम हियर। बताना यहाँ पे आकर। यस 11। लाउडली आंसर देना है, जिसका भी आंसर दोगे लाउडली, स्लोली नहीं। ओके, व्हाट डज द मून सी? The moonbeam see the sleep has closed your eyes or not. When does the moonbeam come over your bed? कब आती है? When does the moonbeam come over your bed? Bed में कब आती है? Loudly please. Is still. When all is still. How does the moonbeam come? Tip top on the gentle feet. What does the moonbeam have in its hand? A pinch of gold. Very good. Where does the moonbeam take you? Lands of dream. Akanda boy. Where was the young boy sitting? Near the window. What was he doing near the window? Homework. Why did his mother call him? For breakfast. What did the beggar say? Please give me something to eat. Why was they no worried? Because he didn't have leather. Very good. What did they do find in his workshop next morning? New pair of shoes. What did Dhanya make for the marriage? मैरिज के लिए धनिया ने क्या मेक किया? क्या बनाया? नाइस। How did Dhenu and Dhania find out who made the shoes? By what did the parents do when they got new clothes? New clothes मिलने के बाद उन्होंने क्या क्या किया? क्या क्या किया? They sang and danced all night. How does the elephant come? Sorry. अब पूछते हैं 6th lesson से. Who taught the princess? The sleep has closed your eyes. When does the moonbeam come over your bed? When does the moonbeam come over your bed? Wrong. Wrong. How does the moonbeam come? कैसे आती है moonbeam? Gentleman, naik tip top on the gentle feet. Very good. What does the moonbeam have in its hand? A pinch of gold. Amazing. Where does the moonbeam take you? Lands of dream. तुम्हें सोचने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, फास्टर बोलो, फास्ट लर्न करना सीखो, बोलो, lands of dream, lands of dream, lands of dream. क्वेश्चन निकला नहीं कि रात से आंसर एकदम, है ना? ऐसे हमारे मुंह में रखा ही होना चाहिए, तुम बोलो कि हम भी बोलो, तुम गोली चलाओ तो हम भी चलाओ, इतना फास्टर बनना है, ठीक है? Where was the young boy sitting? Near the window. Why was he doing near the window? What was he doing near the window? What was he doing near the window? क्या doing कर रहा था? Homework. Why did his mother call him? What did the beggar say? Why was Delu worried? Loudly, loudly. What did Delu find in his workshop next morning? A new pair of shoes. What did Dhania make for the parents? Nice clothes. How did Denu and Dhania find out who made the shoes? By hiding behind the door. What did the parents do when they got new clothes? Let's see. इन्हें थिंकिंग करने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, राइट? और फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम आपको क्या करना है? उसे बार बार बोलना, उससे बार बार बोलना, क्वेश्चन को बार बार सीखना है, बार बार लिखना है ना? कहा जाता है करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होते सुजान, रसरी यावत जागते सिल पर परत निशान। बार बार उसी से काम करो, बार बार करो, याद कैसे नहीं होगा यार? समझ रहे हो? होगा कि नहीं होगा? होगा, ठीक है? ओके, वेरी गुड। थोड़ी फास्टर बनने की कोशिश करो। हाउ डज द एलिफेंट कम? व्हाट इज द कार्गो ऑफ एलिफेंट? Children. What can the elephant do with its strength? Pull down the house. ना जितना फास्ट बोलते हो उतना फास्ट आप भी बोलो। What did the children do to the elephant? Play. Very good. Coming to the lesson 7. What event is about to begin? What event? 7 lesson का learn नहीं है। 7 lesson की गोली मारते हैं। learn का। Who taught the princess? Drudranchar. Who was the eldest Pandu princess? Yudhishthir. चलिए बोलना। What kinds of ruler was the king? What kinds of ruler was the king? Brave, wise and good. थोड़ा साथ में कौन सा दे सकते हैं? Who attacked his country? 5 क्वेश्चन ज्यादा नहीं। What moral do you get from the lesson? What moral do you get from the lesson? Try. हाँ तो है। Why was Denu worried?
Because he did not like them.
What did Denu find in his workshop next morning? A new pair of shoes. Let me make stand up Miss Paras. Not Miss Paras, Mr. Paras. Sorry. What does the moonbeam see? Sleep. When does the moonbeam come over your bed? When all is still. How does the moonbeam come? Gentle man, gentle feet. What does the moonbeam have in its hand? हैंड में क्या होता है? Where does the moonbeam take you? Where was the young man sitting? What was he doing near the window? What did his mother call him? Why did? What did the beggar say? Why was Delu worried? What did Delu find in his workshop next morning? What did Dhania make for the parents? How did Dhanya and Denu find out who made the shoes? By
By riding behind the road.
what did the fairies do when they got new clothes?
Sing and dance.
Sing and how does the elephant come?
Land vehicles fly.
What is the cargo of the elephant?
The cargo and
What can the elephant do with its strength?
to Dangas.
What did the children do to the elephant?
Play.
Playing. Very good. Why have the students of the government middle school assembled on the playground?
Animal.
Because of annual sports. Very good. What event is about to begin? What event is about to begin? कौन सा इवेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला था? कौन सा? The race. Very good. How many girls are taking part in the race? Why do girls feel that Veena would not win? Who taught the princess? Who was the eldest Pandu princess? What was the test? What different skill did Guru Dronacharya teach the princess? How to?
How to write a novel.
Why was he satisfied with Arjun's answer?
Because when the road but
What do we need to do to be successful in life? Concentrate.
concentrate on the target.
What happens when the sun goes away?
The dark,
Who does the traveler hang?
the star,
Where does it hang?
or the other.
What lights the traveler? What lights the traveler? The star. What was the task that Mr. Gill set?
The task of life.
Why didn't Gandhiji copy?
Because he did not want
What left lasting impression on Gandhiji's mind?
the picture of some life parents in power.
What were the only two companions of Mahatma Gandhi?
Not even
At what age Mahatma Gandhi left Porbandar for Rajkot?
7 years
What kinds of ruler was the king?
old.
Who attacked his country? What happened to the king and his soldiers in the battle? What did the king say in the cave? What moral do you get from the lesson? What is the lesson about? What do the village children do when they get tired? Why do the passersby sit under the tree? Who take rest at night in the tree? Where do we get fresh air from? What should we do for the tree? Love and care. Amazing. Very good. आपने हर एक आंसर का करेक्टली आंसर दिया है, हर एक आंसर का आंसर हर एक क्वेश्चन का एक बस बोला कौन सा वो था कि why do other girls think that Meena would not win? है ना? Meena would not win. तो क्योंकि short थी. Because Meena was short and thin. That's why वो think करती थी. 7 lesson और 3 आपको 10 lesson में कमांड हासिल करने की जरूरत है. Yes. Let's a very big round for her. Give everyone. Go and take your seat. Whose book is this?
This is my book.
Thank you for watching.